Hi, this is Mike with Miller Marine Products, and I just came out and wanted to shoot a real quick video. This is my boat, and I'm just showing my new mount here, the side lock mount. It's this one. These happen to have my strong arm system mounting on them, but you can see how that works. It's got a side lock here on the side of it. You loosen that up, they slide. Okay, just tighten that down. Doesn't take very much, and it's solid. I can't move it whatsoever. You can see there's no flex or nothing in it. Here's one that I have made up with one of my strong arm extensions and rod holders and everything on it. And same thing, it's tight. I mean, it's just like doing. There's no play in any of this. The strong arm system's solid. If that's what you're looking for, that's what I got.